Hola!
We ended up in the Czech Republic. We're in Prague. Gonna spend a couple days here. Don't really know what to expect.
It's pretty. There's a lot of old Gothic architecture and it's very nice. It kind of looks like a fairy tale setting for sure.
There's castles we need to go explore. We're gonna go jump on a tour, free tour, see what they can show us and try to get some local food in us.
Voda teče ze svelecký mážír, něhal si má, něhal starodávný chrájí.
Okay, we're on a walking tour right now, and we just learned that the Czech Republic, that it was the most atheist country.
So yeah, you guys, as promised, bizarre looking statue, and it is a dedication to that Franz Kafka guy. I don't know if have you guys read any Kafka? All right, check this guy out. I mean, I like to say, if you haven't read Kafka, you've never read anything like Kafka. Very unique writing style, very dystopic, very bizarre. So the statue here matches it to a T.
We are at the Trdelnik.
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 It's a traditional pastry, cinnamon pastry thing. It looks like a churro cone.
But they stuff it with different things.
Alright, so I'm gonna go get a churro cone.
Jako máme v tom
Beer fast.
So the Czechs consume more beer than any other country in the world. That's ahead of Germany and ahead of Mexico, the US, all those countries by far. So drink up.
What do you have there?
So strong. They said it's recommended to drink it like whiskey, really slow, not a shot. Just drink it slow.
What is it?
It's absinthe.
What is
Absinthe.
absinthe?
I don't know. Some 70% liquor. Tastes like scope. Yours is a little mintier. Mine is like freaking gasoline.
I like. Prague is really unique because it truly does look like a fairy tale setting. A lot of the castles here and buildings are those of the medieval times. So there's a lot of stories about witches and warlocks and queens and kings that all came from something, and that something is here.
Written outside on the border, even
We are at the John Lennon wall. This wall is a mural with a lot of graffiti, pictures of John Lennon, and a lot of anti-war sayings. A lot of random sayings also.
Beatles lyrics.
Beatles lyrics.
It's a graffiti wall that represents peace and love. But it's just mostly a lot of that. They painted over it once, and the very next day it was back at it. So I think it's Prague's only legal graffiti wall.
It's pretty cool.
We made it to the LETNÁ beer garden. It's got some really cool views of the whole city. Cheap beers, about a beer will cost you under $1. Tons of people up here, and it's got some food, so definitely check it out if you come to Prague. See what the LETNÁ beer garden's all about.
Cheers.
She's drinking apple cider, non-alcoholic.
It is alcoholic. It's very alcoholic. I drank 1/4 of it and I was so buzzed. You might be. Ew.
Our quick trip to Prague is now over. Zo and Marimar are heading to Germany. See you on Monday.